Hi Sandeep, I'm going to make a wee film to show you some of the ways that you could achieve the things that you're wanting to do. There's more than one way as usual, but if you go into one of the blocks and look at add an activity, you've got a choice of either putting in a forum or a wiki, and I think both of these things could probably be quite good for what you're looking for. So I'll show you first of all how to make a forum. If you just click on forum, it'll turn into this box here. And then basically you just name the forum. It could be, for example, questions and answers. Can you help? If you're wanting students to help each other. And then again, if you just write a little bit in here about what you expect the forum to achieve. So I'm just going to put in a load of nonsense like this just now to fill the box. I think that basically that's... Actually, there's an interesting thing here. Shall we put in posts on this RSS feed? I don't know if it works, but I would like to have a wee look myself. And we'll just save the changes. So in here we can then what you would say here is what the forum's about. So the student would add a new discussion topic, write in the subject of their question, and then the main message, and they can get emails if anybody's answered their query. Then that would just be posted to the forum. If you continue, then you can see it here. So the student's picture would be in here, the question would be here, and anybody wanting to look at it would open it up like this. Then they could reply to that. That was Isabel having a good cough there. So we could reply to that like this, and again there would be emails sent about the reply. Then it looks like this. So you see that the question's been answered down here. So that's one way that you could do it. We can go back to the main course and I'll show you another way. This way you could go onto a wiki and again name the wiki. It could be questions and answers again. As I say, I'm just filling it up with anything. And again, a little bit more about what it's about. And you could have a group wiki, a student wiki, or a teacher wiki. So we'll stick with groups, and we'll save the changes and see what this one looks like. Ah, this one looks quite interesting actually. So you can search the wiki to look for things, and you can choose links there, and you can do other stuff there too. I'm just learning about this as well, by the way, Sandeep. So let's have a wee look to see what this looks like. So I think it is one big document that everybody contributes to, so it could also really work with what you're trying to do. I'm going to look into this further so that I know a little bit more about it and I can give you more information on this one. But anyway, there's two ways that you could possibly do the things, achieve the things that you were wanting to.